Morning guys, it is Jonathan with One Big Impact, and today we're going to be doing a review on a Kensen S15 head shaver, or like we all like to call them, balders. Right here, really nice. That I'm going on a trip and I was able to get this before I go. So obviously you have the book here. Ooh, that's nice. Look at that. Nice, sleek, compact little cover on it, which is really nice. Fits right in your palm like a palm shaver should. There you go. It is charged up at 99%, which is great. And as you can see, I'm gonna time this on how long it takes to be able to shave my head. About 2.5 minutes, roughly, and the whole thing is done. Bad lighting out here. Completely shaved. Always feels so good with a nice clean shave. Go check out yours. I'll put it in the link in the description below. I am so grateful. I'm so grateful that I got this before I'm traveling. You have no idea.